Davao.
Accepting the award for Ricky Davao are his daughters, Ara and Vicky May Davao.
Good evening po everyone. Thank you so much for honoring our dad. Alam po namin na for his whole life, talagang minahal po niya ang industriya natin. At kahit last year, may mga nararamdaman na siyang sakit sa katawan and eventually nagka-problema na po talaga sa health niya. Hanggat kinaya po niya, pumunta pa rin po siya sa mga taping, shooting, rehearsals para sa last musical na ginawa niya. At kahit hindi na niya natapos lahat yon, I know that if kinaya lang ng katawan niya at ng health niya, he will give his 100%, more than 100%.
Yes, maraming salamat po. Actually, bago po kami umakyat, nakikipagpustahan po kami kung sino ang iiyak. So, ako po yun, ako yung natalo, by the way. Pero maraming salamat po. Just looking out at the audience at lalo na yung mga nakatrabaho ni Papa, alam po namin na hindi siya makakalimutan because he will live through each of you sa lahat ng mga proyekto na ginawa nyo. And he will continue to live through the craft that he loves and the craft that he taught us to love. So maraming salamat po. It's an honor to be here to receive this for our dad. And for those who don't know, his last performance was actually on this stage for his last musical, which was A Silver Lining. So it's like we're sharing the stage with him. So Dad, we love you so much and maraming salamat po.